How do I contact WhatsApp support for assistance with recovering my account?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be talking about how you can contact WhatsApp support to get assistance with recovering your account. Losing access to your WhatsApp account can be frustrating, but don't worry, WhatsApp has a support system in place to help you retrieve your account.
Why might you need to contact WhatsApp support?
There are several reasons why you might need to get in touch with WhatsApp support. Perhaps you've forgotten your account information, maybe you suspect unauthorized use of your account, or you might be having technical issues that you can't resolve on your own.
How to contact WhatsApp support?
To get the help you need, you'll have to contact WhatsApp support. Let's break down the steps. 1. Open your WhatsApp application. First, you need to open the WhatsApp application on your device. 2. Go to Settings on an iPhone. This is at the bottom right of your screen. If you're using Android, tap on the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then select Settings. 3. Navigate to Help. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Help section. 4. Tap on Contact Us. Within Help, there will be an option labeled Contact Us. This will take you to the form you need to fill out to contact WhatsApp support. 5. Fill out the form. Here, you should provide as much detail as possible about your issue. Be sure to include your phone number in international format, e.g. +1 for the United States followed by your phone number. After you've completed the form, hit Send. Remember, it may take some time for WhatsApp support to respond. They handle a large volume of inquiries, so be patient.
What happens after you contact WhatsApp support?
Once you've sent off your query, you should receive an email confirmation from WhatsApp support. This doesn't necessarily mean that your issue has been resolved, but rather that your request has been received and will be processed as soon as possible. After this, it's a waiting game. WhatsApp support will contact you with updates about your issue or additional questions they may have to assist you further. And that's all there is to it. We hope this guide has been helpful in guiding you on how to contact WhatsApp support for account recovery. Remember, your account security is crucial, so take the necessary steps to protect it. Stay patient as the support team works to assist you, and you'll be back to messaging in no time.